Okay, finally my new toy is here. It's so heavy. I think it's about like 25 kilos. I bought this electric scooter, Hero S8 from dubitz. Is that how you say it? D-U-B-I-T-Z. Name is dubitz. It's in Queensland. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So exciting. Oh shit, that's hard. Comes with manual book, of course. And where's this? Oh. The remote. And this. Here. Set aside first. Oh god, this is so heavy. Damn. Nice. Solid tire. Solid wheel. Damn, I love the smell. Alright. Oh, that's good. Really strong, sturdy. It's 19 kilometer per hour, 18, 17, it's getting steeper, 16, 15, but it's going okay with 800 watts motor, and then now it's a bit not really that steep, and then it's going up to 20, 24, 26, but it's a bit more steeper. It's going down to 19 now, and then to 18, 17. Forty-five kilometer per hour. This is the max speed. That sucks. $47. Okay, that was the top speed, 47 kilometer per hour. I think it's because it's downhill, that's why. So this scooter Hero S8, it's kind of worth it, but the problem is when I have like a not really big deal issue, but when you're riding these things, and especially because it's solid tire, when there's a lot of bumps, this wire thing, I don't know if that's for the acceleration or for the brake, inside hitting this tube, this square tube, it will make a noise like ding ding ding. Well, you know, that kind of noise, and it's really disturbing. Like for me, it's really not cool, the fact that it makes a noise every time there's a bump because of the solid tire, even though there's a suspension system here and there, but it's because solid tire. So yeah, it makes really unpleasant noise. It's not really rugged, even though it's quite rugged, but yeah.